In the high-stakes environment of healthcare, precision and reliability are not just ideals, they are necessities. Among the most critical areas in this domain is anesthesia equipment maintenance. Lives depend on the flawless operation of these machines, and the risks and liabilities associated with their failure are enormous. At Anesthesia Equipment Maintenance, we specialize in safeguarding these systems, ensuring they operate with maximum efficiency and reliability, while supporting the broader needs of surgery centers and hospitals. Anesthesia equipment is at the heart of patient safety during surgical procedures. Understanding this, we've built our company around a core principle: specialized expertise. Our team consists of military-trained and certified biomedical equipment maintenance technicians, bringing a level of discipline, precision, and reliability unmatched in the industry. We focus on the installation, deinstallation, repair, calibration, preventative maintenance, and electrical safety inspections of not just anesthesia systems, but also surgical equipment and related support systems. This specialization allows us to provide unparalleled service that healthcare providers can trust, knowing that patient safety and operational readiness are our top priorities. In healthcare, time is critical. Equipment downtime can disrupt workflows, delay procedures, and compromise patient care. That's why we guarantee a 4-hour telephone response and a 24-hour in-person response for all service calls. When emergencies arise, our team is ready to step in quickly, providing the technical expertise needed to restore equipment functionality. Our commitment to rapid response minimizes downtime, ensuring that hospitals and surgical centers can continue delivering top-quality care. Compliance with regulatory requirements is an essential component of healthcare operations. At Anesthesia Equipment Maintenance, we go beyond equipment repair and maintenance by providing comprehensive documentation for all service events. Our technicians document each service call with photos and video, which are then made available to clients through our secure online interface. This not only ensures transparency, but also provides healthcare facilities with the necessary records to meet the rigorous standards of the Joint Commission for Hospital Accreditation, state licensing bodies, and other regulatory agencies. To further support our clients, we offer annual service contracts designed to guarantee maximum equipment operational readiness. These contracts cover all diagnostic and therapeutic equipment used in healthcare settings, from anesthesia machines to line isolation monitors and isolated power systems. By choosing an annual service contract, healthcare providers gain access to proactive maintenance, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and ensuring that all equipment is consistently operating at peak performance. This proactive approach helps avoid costly interruptions and ensures compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. What sets anesthesia equipment maintenance apart is our unwavering commitment to excellence. As a member of the BiomedRx International Service Network, we are part of a global consortium of medical equipment maintenance experts. This affiliation allows us to stay at the forefront of industry standards and technological advancements, ensuring that our clients always receive the highest level of service. We also understand the unique challenges and risks associated with anesthesia delivery. Our tailored approach addresses these challenges head-on, providing healthcare providers with the confidence they need to focus on what matters most: delivering exceptional patient care. In an era where healthcare facilities are under constant pressure to deliver high-quality care while maintaining compliance and managing costs, anesthesia equipment maintenance is a trusted partner. With our specialized services, rapid response, and dedication to compliance, we ensure that critical equipment is always ready to perform when it matters most. Choose anesthesia equipment maintenance for your biomedical equipment needs. Together, we'll create a safer, more efficient healthcare environment.